If you have the Kingbull Literider 2.0 and you just got the upgraded controller, in this video I'm going to show you exactly how to swap it out. The first thing you're going to want to do is power off the e-bike, and if you want to take an extra safety measure, you're going to want to remove the battery. Next, you have to locate the controller, and on the Literider 2.0 you actually have to unfold it first, and it's going to be in between the frame. Next, you'll need a set of Allen keys or a screwdriver to open that compartment. Once you're in, you'll see a bundle of wires connected to the controller, but before you unplug anything, you can take a quick photo so you remember how everything's supposed to go back together. For me, I didn't do that, but what I did was take off one wire at a time and then replace it with the new controller. That way I never lost track of what I was doing. Carefully disconnect each cable. Most of these are color coded, so don't force anything, and if it doesn't come out easily, double check that there's no clips or locking tabs. Don't forget, when you're disconnecting the old controller, there's one wire that's attached to it that's actually on the outside of the frame, so you're going to have to cut the zip tie first and then unplug that wiring. There's going to be a rubber wrap around the wire. You're going to have to slit it first with like some box cutters, and then you're going to have to peel it back to unplug the wiring. And then once you go to replug the controller back in, make sure you feed that same wire through the frame there. And then what you're going to want to do is make sure you zip tie it back up. Once you've reconnected all the cables, make sure everything is plugged in securely. Then you're going to tuck the wires neatly back into the compartment and then close it up and put the final screw back into place so the outside plate doesn't fall out. After you do that, you're going to put your battery back in and then turn on your e-bike. And then what you have to do is go into the settings by long pressing the plus and minus button at the same time. And then you're going to toggle to setting number 8 by hitting the power button. Once you're here, you're going to type in your password, which is 1010. After you do that, then you're going to want to increase the e-bike speed to 28 miles an hour. And then give it a quick test, make sure the throttle works, make sure the pedal assist works before you actually get on it and start riding. But that's it, you've successfully upgraded your Kingbull Literider 2.0 controller. If you still need to purchase your controller, I'll put a link in the description below. If you need more help, let me know in the comment section and I'll do my best to help you. Thanks for watching. Take it easy.